Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4X Santoni. Here you can see this is a Redmi 4X Santoni. Let's check the specification of this ROM. What is the name of this ROM? Here you can see. Let's check the whole specification. Here you can see this is the Flame OS available for Redmi 4X. Finally, this is the GSI ROM. Let's check the whole specification about phone. Here you can see Mizu Note 9. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon Note 8. This is ported from the Note 8, Flame Note 8. You will get Android version 9. Here you can see Android 9 Zone 1 security. Today we will review about this ROM, how is the performance of this ROM. Let's check the specification and features of this ROM. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in the Wi-Fi. Here you can see you can easily connect without any problem. As you can see, I have tested each and every feature. Hotspot is also working perfectly. You cannot set the security to. Here you can see security. You cannot set the security because I have flashed the fixed file. After that you cannot set. If you don't flash the fixed file, you can easily set the security. There will be no error in the overlay. As you can see, because of the rounded corners I have flashed that file. Only that file is working, so that's why it is not opening. You have to use the hotspot open only. Bluetooth is working perfectly, no problem in the Bluetooth. You can easily connect via phone to phone. I have already paired. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem. Bluetooth audio device is also working perfectly. Let me show you the hotspot also after turning on. Here you can see hotspot is also working perfectly. The notification light is always on. As you can see, it is always on. It is dim because I have changed the display also. Let's set the display and the feature. Here the brightness level is working perfectly. There is no problem in the brightness level. You can easily adjust. Eye friendly mode is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the eye friendly mode. Here you can see you can easily adjust, but there is no increase or decrease in the color temperature. It remains the same. Night mode. Here is the night mode. Night mode is also working perfectly. Here is the dark mode. Here you can see it is fully dark, and the QS styles is also bug. Here you can see it does not work very well as it is, as this device displays 720p and ported from 1080p, that there is a bug. Color temperature. Here is the color temperature. You can adjust the color temperature also. Here you can see easy mode is also working perfectly, but if you enable the easy mode you cannot exit it from here. As you can see, I click on exit, but you will not be able to exit the easy mode. Here you can see it is always on, then you have to format your data. So easy mode is working perfectly, but it will not exit your device from the easy mode. Let's check the sound. Here is the sound is working perfectly, no problem in the sound. Here you can see, let me apply the sound. Here you can see Flame OS sound is working perfectly, no problem in the sound. And the volt is working, but it turns off after few seconds. It then again turns on, but there is a few minute gap between turning off. Here you can see these are the system sounds is also working. Touch sound. Let's check the touch sound whether it works or not. Vibration is working perfectly in the navigation bar, and the navigation bar is working. All the hardware buttons are working except the recent application. All you have to do is to clean the application, you have to swipe up. As it is the easy mode, there is no swipe up, so don't enable the easy mode. Auto rotate is also working perfectly. Here is the navigation. If you enable the navigation bar, back, there will be huge navigation bar. As you can see, you cannot disable it, so you have to use the gestures only, all screen gestures. Here you can see you have to use only gestures to function your device. Smart touch is working perfectly, no problem in the smart touch. You can easily use, you can customize according to your use. Notification and status bar. Here is the notification and status bar. Lock sound, network speed is also available. It works perfectly. Percentage inside, outside is also available, but you cannot change as there is the overlay issue after flashing the corner fix. Let's check the charging. Here is the charging is working perfectly, no problem in the charging. And we can easily transfer the files in laptops via laptop. Here you can see, and the charging light is working perfectly, no problem in the charging light. It changes according to the battery. Fingerprint. Let's check the fingerprint and the face unlock whether the fingerprint works or not. Here is the fingerprint. Let me apply the password first. Let's check the fingerprint. Place your fingerprint. Fingerprint is not working, I think because of the overlay issue. Fingerprint is not working, so if you want to use the fingerprint, do not flash the overlay. that rounded corners over, do not flash that. So fingerprint or face unlock you cannot use after flashing the overlay, so don't flash. Battery performance is not good in this ROM, it is average. The AC voice is also available, but it only detects English voice, Chinese voice only shayad. I have flashed the flame cache. You have to flash the flame cache to use the Google Play services. As you can see, I have already logged in without any problem. You can easily log in. So all these are the features of this, and you can easily log in, but I don't know, I don't have the Flame account. So here are the application, here the Google, here the Play Store is not certified in this ROM. So as this is the GSI ROM, you cannot play the games in this, or banking applications cannot use the, or you cannot use the banking applications. If you want to install the video, you can comment down below or check the video description. Only you have to flash the, there are the few methods to flash this ROM. If you want it, I will make a video. They are simple to it only takes 2 to 3 minutes to make the video. If you want the video, you can comment down below, I will directly upload it. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.